Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with a developing story. The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, is investigating yet another fish kill in the Rio Cobre.
For now, NEPA says the lower coastal area of the river in the vicinity of the Mandela Highway is the focus of its probe.
But as Janella Precious now reports, fishermen say the impact is greater.
When these fishermen arrived Thursday morning to cast their nets, they were not prepared for what greeted them.
We see a lot of dead floating fish on top of the water. We see swims them a flick out of the water on land. We see crab them a crawl out of the water. Swims are dead, fish are dead, them are stunned. So just have a stinking smell.
This is a section of the Rio Cobre that the fishermen refer to as Barmouth in Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine. Interestingly, it's where many fishermen whose livelihood came to a halt following last year's bauxite effluent spill frequent. Now they're back to square one. As we found out, this is not the first incident of this nature.
It stops for a long while and it starts again on and off, on and off.
3, sometimes 4 times a year. It takes all months before it run off and the fish then take time and come back. 1, 1 and 2, 2 and so forth, But when they kill it off like now, they not come back.
But the fishermen are longing for the day it will be the last.
It need for, some stopping need for going, man. It's hard, my boss, man. It's hard. Full time now, my boss, man. And then it rat the net, and if it means we have to buy net over and over and over and over. It's hard. See? And no one help you.
Check down the river and you lose all 10, 20 pounds. Check that much for the at 8 bills a pound. You see?
And the shrimp now?
And the shrimps them, $1,000 a pound for the shrimps them. So you say, hold it down for you. So you look on the riverside now, right now you have more than 10 pounds of shrimps on the riverside, right around.
Nets and bait are not the only requirements for fishing here.
Use some bush remedy and, like Cinco Bible and a little busy and them something there. Olive oil, them something we have to use for my skin. And drink and then something purge out back with blood. Because this water you hurt with, it's scratched.
Along the stretch of the Rio Cobre are several factories. The fishermen are convinced they are mainly responsible for the pollution.
Most of the bad water, it comes from the central village factory, come down. You have a time they wash out the factory and something, and bad water come down and they kill the fish them.
We want it to stop now. It's full time now.
They also blame NEPA for not doing enough to monitor the activities along the industrial belt. When we contacted the agency, we were told that the matter is being investigated. Janella Precious, TVJ News.